today's video, we will fix a Frigidaire refrigerator beeping and blinking H high temp alarm reset and fix. So the fixed one, you can temperature is too hot. So check the display panel. If you see H is usually means high temperature. Then press the temperature button and lower the fridge and freezer settings. Then close the door properly and wait for 4 to 6 hours and check if the beeping stop. The next step is to door is not closed properly. So open and close both fridge and freezer door firmly. Make sure nothing is blocking the door. Then check the door gasket, a rubber seal for dirt or damage. Then clean the gasket with a damp cloth. After that, the fix 3, you can power outage or power fluctuation. So press the alarm reset or set buttons to control panel. If it does not stop, unplug the fridge and then wait for around 5 minutes and plug it back in. Goodbye.